my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. The Kentucky Derby is coming up this weekend, and if you're entertaining, you can serve pimento cheese sandwiches, devil eggs, some ham and cheese pinwheels, or this one, hot brown sliders. This tasty finger food is a crowd pleaser. Easy to put together, my version of these little guys is perfect for this event or any other gatherings. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with cooking spray and place a piece of parchment paper with overhang so it's easy to remove the baked sliders later. Then we'll set aside for now. The rolls I'm using are these. They are two kinds, sweet and this one, savory butter, which is the one I prefer for this application. So what we'll do with them is to slice the buns lengthwise using a serrated knife. This is the hardest step of this old recipe, so take your time and gently hold them down when slicing. We'll place the bottom rolls in a prepared baking dish and set aside. In a bowl, we'll combine mayonnaise and prepared yellow mustard. We'll stir until nicely blended and then spread it out on the rolls, covering the entire surface. Next, we'll place 8 large deli turkey slices, or enough so there's a couple rows of meat. Then comes the tomatoes. There's 12 buns, so we'll place 12 tomato slices. We'll now season with dried oregano leaves, followed by the 2 usual suspects, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll top with grated Gouda cheese, although Gruyere, Emmental, Jarlsberg, or Swiss are other delicious substitutes. And then crumble cooked bacon. Everything tastes better with bacon. I have a great way to cook it without any mess, so click on the top right corner of your screen to find out. We'll place the top layer of rolls, gently pressing down so the ingredients stay in, and then we'll set aside. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to our melted butter, some Dijon mustard, followed by Worcestershire sauce. Then a little bit of garlic powder as well as onion powder. We'll whisk until the ingredients are nicely incorporated. We'll now brush the top rolls with the butter mixture, making sure to get in the nooks and crannies, before covering with a piece of foil, which will prevent them from burning. We'll transfer the baking sheet to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the foil and bake for another 5 minutes or until the top is golden. A few minutes later, we'll remove from the heat, lift, and transfer the buns onto a cutting board. We'll let them rest for about 5 minutes before serving. And my friends, these are our Kentucky hot brown sliders. Very easy to make. These little guys are so tasty. They're a delicious finger food to serve at your next party. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!